Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about Topdon CarPal. Topdon have very kindly sent me this CarPal. It's an OBD scanner. Actually links up to your phone, so there's an app that you download and you can see all the data from your vehicle. And we're going to have a look at this right now. So behind me I have a Vauxhall Corsa. So let's take this out, plug it in and see what it's like. So here we have opened the CarPal app on our phone, and if we take the CarPal dongle and we just go underneath the dash here and plug it in, you can see it's got some cool little LED lights. So when it's plugged in it goes green, then it goes blue and it will flash, which means it's connected. So we're just going to turn our ignition on. So here we are on the app. All of the instructions that you need come with it. So when you first start up, you'll scan the QR code on the back of the dongle, and that will then take you to this app. You can download it from the App Store. Once you've gone through all the process of setting it up, you'll have this screen here. So now we have our dongle plugged into our vehicle and the ignition is turned on. We'll have this screen here, and then what we can do is you have health reports, engine inspection, live data, performance test, smog test. There's lots of functions on this little app. But if we click onto here, and then this will just find the vehicle, and once it's found the vehicle, we can ask it to confirm the details of the vehicle. Once it's confirmed the vehicle details, we'll have this option to auto scan. So from here you can see all the control modules inside the vehicle. If we click on scan, it'll ask us which engine's inside. This one's a 1.4. There's no start stop equipped, and it will start scanning. Once it starts scanning, we're just going to leave that to run through the whole scan, and it's go through every single computer in there, scanning for fault codes. If you have a fault, it will come up on this system. So when it finishes, it will give you a health score at the top. This is 89, and it has one fault code in the radio. So if we click into that, it will give us the code B2455-02, cellular phone microphone circuit short to ground. So that's your fault codes, and if you have any other fault codes in your engine, stuff like that, it will tell you exactly what it is. We can also clear the fault codes from here. So if we go to clear DTCs and clear those faults, it will then go in and it will clear the faults. And now the score is at 100 because that fault has been cleared. This app is great for people at home if you just want to plug it in before you go to the garage, so you have an idea of what's wrong with your vehicle, or even if you just want to carry out a performance test on your vehicle. So once you back out of all that, back to the home screen, you can go to performance test, and you can actually carry out a little performance test here. So that's good fun to have with your friends. You want to test each other's cars, ideal for that. Quick video on the new Topdon CarPal, and at under £40 in the UK, this is a brilliant bit of kit, handy to keep in the car. Go and get yourself one. There's a link down in the description, and go and test it out, try it for yourselves. Give this video a thumbs up.